Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of commercial vehicles with a legend, the 2025 Toyota Hiace. This iconic van has been a workhorse for businesses and families for decades, and the 2025 model takes this legacy to new heights with a blend of rugged reliability and modern sophistication. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Hiace a cut above the rest. The 2025 Hiace retains the classic boxy silhouette that has made it a familiar sight on roads worldwide. However, Toyota has injected a dose of modernity with sleek headlights, a bold front grille, and sharper lines. This combination of classic and contemporary styling gives the Hiace a timeless appeal while ensuring it remains relevant in today's evolving automotive landscape. The exterior design is not just about aesthetics. It's also about functionality. The aerodynamically optimized shape contributes to improved fuel efficiency, while the robust construction ensures durability and longevity. Step inside the Hiace, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable interior designed with both driver and passengers in mind. High-quality materials are used throughout, creating a more refined and upscale feel. The seats are ergonomically designed for comfort and support, even on long journeys. Ample headroom and legroom ensure a pleasant experience for all occupants. The cargo area is generously sized and easily accessible, making it ideal for transporting goods, luggage, or even passengers. The 2025 Hiace is equipped with a host of advanced technologies. A user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system provides access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. Safety is paramount, with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. The versatility of the Hiace is truly remarkable. It can effortlessly adapt to a wide range of needs. Whether you're transporting passengers for a tour group, hauling goods for your business, or embarking on a weekend camping adventure, the Hiace is ready to handle it all. The Hiace carries the legendary Toyota badge, synonymous with reliability, durability, and unwavering quality. Backed by Toyota's extensive service network and a strong reputation for customer satisfaction, the Hiace offers peace of mind and long-term value. The 2025 Toyota Hiace is more than just a van. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and excellence. A blend of classic reliability, modern design, and advanced technology, the Hiace continues to set the benchmark for commercial vehicles.